Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the V18 gaming mouse from EasySMX. Now this currently retails in the UK at less than £12, so at today's prices, ultra budget. Let's get it out of the box and let's have a look. So, getting this out of the box, we can see the 1.5 meter cable is braided and has some nice red stripy accents to it. It's got a gold plated USB 2 connector at one end and is moulded to the mouse at the other. This is offset to one side, just under the left mouse button. The red and black theme continues as we get to the body of the mouse, with red accenting and buttons aplenty. There's also red LED lighting being quite prominent across the back of the mouse and up the front. You can't change the colour of this though, it is fixed to red. Now looking at the shape of the mouse, this is definitely aimed for right-handed people. The material used for the body seems like quite a durable plastic. It's very lightweight and the left and right buttons have a nice confident feeling click to them. It's got a nice matte finish to the top and a grippy pattern around the sides. The V18 has 9 buttons, which are left and right buttons, the clickable scroll wheel, 2 DPI buttons which allow you to alter the sensitivity between 400 and 4000 DPI, forward and back buttons, a double click button which just acts as 2 clicks of the left button, and finally the sniper button, which when you hold it down reduces the sensitivity temporarily to 400 DPI. This is great for first person shooters where you might need a little bit more accuracy. Now there's some software you can download from EasySMX's website which allows you to reassign 4 of the 9 buttons. The software also allows you to program macros to assign to any of these buttons. The red buttons are made from a very lightweight plastic and I do feel that this seems a little lacking in quality. Using them does seem okay though, and all the buttons feel very responsive with no discernible lag. As I've said, the mouse is very lightweight. Amazing then, you can actually make it even lighter. So this red accent, which looks like a 10th button on the side here, is actually where you can pull this cover away from the base. This exposes 5 small removable weights. Each of these weigh approximately 5 grams, so you can reduce the weight of the mouse by about 25 grams in total very easily. Although personally, I think it's light enough already. So to summarise, this is a very low cost mouse, and the plastic used on the red buttons does feel a little cheap. But the plethora of features like the number of buttons and the removable weights just for that small price more than make up for it. And I'd definitely class this as a fantastic bargain buy. Well, I'll leave a link to the EasySMX V18 gaming mouse on Amazon as well as a link to the EasySMX website in the description below. Please don't forget to use our Amazon and Overclockers links as they do help to keep the channel going. Give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. So the best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing. Well, thanks for watching and I will see you later.